somebody had a yarn fetish. Oh, last time it lasted the whole entire time I had it. Who buys this much yarn and doesn't use any of it? Alright, fill in the roll off. Destroy Kitchen 101. Metal shelves. Where they used to go. Old kitchen. We tore up all this shit in here. And the roll off. Sawed a bunch of fucking work. Those linoleum floors are ripped up. Alright, now all the floors ripped out, at least up to here. This miserable piece of shit is all that's left of the sink. Now here's the entire kitchen floor. The kitchen floor.
Don't forget to show the roll off.
Yeah. I did that already.
Oh.
Most of the way full. Okay, now the whole wall's ripped out all the way down to bare sink. Roll off condition after the entire kitchen wall is destroyed. Thing is most of the way full. Alright, now the whole kitchen is a fucking disaster. Completely destroyed. And this wall completely gone. Except they pulled everything in. Now the roll off is about 92% of the way full. We get our fucking money's worth out of this goddamn roll off. Alright, so now this area's been drywalled off. The door's put in, a new one. More and new drywall in this kitchen area. And now I'm drywalling the bathroom. So the plumbing is in. Gotta put plywood over the floors now. And gonna frame the walls in here. This is gonna be a bathroom. Got the cabinets in here. Cabinets. So the kitchen is slowly coming together. This was a fucking nightmare. Probably gonna rip out the wallpaper, the drywall in here instead of trying to get the wallpaper off. Some wallpaper just doesn't want to come off. I just got all the fucking drywall done on this bathroom. And the backer board. And the dense shield. Now the bathroom is tiled and textured and painted.
What? Oh.
I'm just video documenting steps because I've been recording the steps of the progress, especially in the kitchen, since the beginning. The house still looks like it needs. Alright, so this window is completely sawed out. Gonna put a new one in. Little shitter version of the full blown window that used to be in here. This is where the bathtub goes.